Hi there, this is Fran with Brightwing Exteriors. There's really only one reason that you're going to replace your fascia and your soffit, and that's just due to damage. We had wood soffits and wood fascia up there that had been damaged due to water penetration. What had happened was the old gutters were actually trapping water behind the gutters because they were improperly installed. We've replaced the fascia, we've now replaced the soffit, and we've also replaced this freeze board here, and then we installed seamless gutters. Most often we find that water damage is the reason that damage has occurred. This can occur because of the existing gutters. Oftentimes what we'll see is that the existing gutters are installed incorrectly and water is actually coming in from the back side of the gutters and getting back into the fascia, and even behind that into the sub fascia. There's a couple other reasons that fascia can get damaged or soffit can be damaged. One might be a roof leak and water's running down the underside of the roof deck and ends up in this area and creates damage. Another reason would be rodents. Oftentimes rodents can get access to certain areas of the soffit and they want to get in the attic. Sometimes that's how people find out that they have soffit damage, is because they realize they've got pests in their attics, and then when they have the pest company come out, they find out that their soffits or their fascias have been damaged. We'd love to hear from you at 512-323-0124, or please visit our website at brightwingcustom.com.